Alright, we're back. We have a drill. And a bunch of ringers. Step over. Smells like stainless. It was stainless. Want to do that one? Not too much pressure. A lot lower RPM.
So what?
A lot lower RPM. You didn't hear me wind it all the way up, did you? It's a variable trigger.
Yeah.
Another too fast.
It could have been killed.
Yeah. Why that? Might hit you in the nose or something.
What are you actually doing? Threading it?
Drilling. Next.
Yep.
It's called step ringing. Shut speeds down. Stainless and dull reamers don't like each other. Back up a little bit. Pull it out. Okay. Going light pressure but higher with speed on it. There we go. It went hard. Warms you up too. Kind of cool in here, so. Smell that hot metal?
Yes. Oh.
Know where we gotta go. Oh. Too big. 5/16. Ooh. Coated. Coated one. Where's your drill? That's not a lot better than that last one. Marked improvement on quality of drill, reamer. Not quite so much pressure. See, reamers are less dangerous than drills.
Yeah. Sort of pushes it and then it pops it through.
When it doesn't dig in, when it digs in, it doesn't try to auger it in like a drill would.
Yeah.
Or rip the drill motor out of your hand. That's bad. Where's your bolt?
Right there.
Right there?
Up there. Holy jeez.
Might have to put a couple washers in there.
Spacer maybe. Doctor.
On your side. Ooh, appears to work. Alright. So what length do we need? And how much space do we need? Perfect. So, why don't you grab me something about that long? Got the drawer over there.
Pick a number.
White. 2 down.
Just the length of this thread?
Yeah, 1.25 inches, so yeah.
That's the wrong size.
That's a 1/4 inch. They're in order.
Ouch.
No. Not an ouch. And we probably should have some kind of a washer in there. I like having washers. Let's go see what he's got over here. Somebody put the trash can in the way. So what do you got in there? What do you got there?
I don't know.
Find it yet? Oh,
I'm trying to figure out your order.
well, these are small,
Yes.
and they get bigger as you go in. And the drawer opens up further. Oh, there's some longer ones in there. That might be too much. Thinking maybe this one or one of these. Possible. Ooh, these are fancy looking ones. Get the cat plate one. Crappy looking ones. Okay, where's that one come from?
You had it.
One of those. Which ones it look like? Pull it out and check. Don't just shove in the hole. Check the length, not the head. Yeah, you're way close. Let's try over that side. No, all the way to my side. Next one down. Big on order. Ooh, look at that. Okay, need to get in that drawer over there. They're heavy. Pull that drawer open.
Which one, top?
Yeah. Nope, wrong drawer. This drawer. Leave it there, don't worry about it. Put it back in there later. Open that one up. Okay, I need a 5/16 nut. Got one of those. Okay, I need a 3/8 nut. Should be right next to it. 2 of them. Alright, now we need a washer. What do you got, a 5/16 crappy washer over there? Some smaller. Smaller. Let me get in there. Did you get dirty on that new hardware?
No.
Good. I need something small like one of these. One of those. Probably one of these. Does that fit? You can do that with one hand, did you? Ooh, that looks pretty long. Guess what that does?
That's your spacer?
Yep, I'm thinking that bolt's too long.
You think it's too long?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Screw it in there, let's find out.
Whoa.
Whoa!
There's not much in there.
How much wood in there?
That's supposed to go inside?
It goes inside of that light, yeah.
It ain't going.
Why not? Put it in there. Put it through it. You're not gonna run out of room.
Stops right there. You're gonna rethread it, aren't you?
I think that bolt screwed up. Because the other bolt went in fine.
No. That one?
This one's too short. Where's the long one at?
Tapping?
Oh, my wrist is a bad angle over here. Hurts my wrist and rotate. So use the other tools around here to do it. Not hitting on anything, are we? I'll tighten it up. And rough. Over there. Okay, look out. Okay. Alright, let go. You like that tool? Need something longer? There you go. Go up with it. Another one. Okay, hold on. Don't want to strip it.
No.
It's just crappy metal. How's that look? Here's the bolts a little on the long side. Not too bad. Where's your nut? Screw it in there. Limited access. Not used to using your fingers in tight holes.
Not since I was 13, 15. There we go. No,
Found it,
no.
dropped it, close.
Just trying to get it started.
Started or is it falling off? Oh, you got it going. There you go. How much is sticking out? A lot. It'll work though. Where's our tools at? Tools. And we're gonna be on the 12 point. Labor-intensive process here. Tight?
No. Oh, now it is.
Finally got all the way in there. Alright, let me get in there.
Fucker.
How much should I go before I strip it?
It ain't going much further. It should break it.
I like braking stuff. The problem is we don't know what straight is because the bike's way up in the air right now.
No, I ran it with this line.
We're about 6 inches in the air right now.
What is?
The bike. That one moves it down a little bit. Okay, hold the light up. Ready? Okay, put your palm underneath it. You get pretty good torque on that. Yeah, the bolt's about 1/8 inch sticking out, which hopefully will not be a problem. And our grommet is right here, which looks like we went way too far through it. We'll be taking this back out again anyway. Doesn't want to go in there. It's clearing everything, isn't it? Yeah. Precision engineering. And straight up sign. It's upside down. No, it's fine. Doesn't matter which way it goes. Okay, up, down makes no difference. Just has to not have it. You just can't be where the bolt is. Yeah, it'll go in there. It's going in square. Square enough. Good. Doesn't look too bad. And this here, I just got to go underneath the fender and up on the inside to retain that. Then I got to hook it to the battery, direct all the time, 100% of the time. It'll never drain, will it? Well, we got 3 wires. Oh, because that's a 2-element bulb, and one's a ground. Wonder what the wiring schematic is for a LED light. Guess we'll figure it out. Alright, we can do another one. Be back.